Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic to edit photos. First, let's get your images into the program. Open the Import dialog, typically found in the bottom left, and select the photos you wish to edit. You can choose to copy them to a new location or add them in place. Organize them into logical folders and collections right from the start. This foundational step ensures your photo library remains tidy and easily searchable, saving you valuable time later on. Once your photos are imported, head over to the Develop module, the heart of Lightroom's editing capabilities. Start with the Basic panel. Adjust the exposure to brighten or darken your image, then tweak the contrast for more punch. Recover details in overexposed highlights and bring out information in underexposed shadows. Don't forget to set your white balance for accurate colors and add a touch of vibrance to make your images pop without oversaturation. Now, let's dive into more precise adjustments. The adjustment brush allows you to selectively paint effects onto specific areas, while the radial filter can create vignettes or draw attention to your subject. Use the spot removal tool to effortlessly eliminate dust spots or distracting elements from your image. Finally, refine your photo with sharpening to enhance detail and apply noise reduction to smooth out any grain, especially in high ISO shots. After perfecting your edits, it's time to share your work. Use the Export dialog to save your photos in formats like JPEG for web or TIFF for printing, choosing appropriate dimensions and quality settings. Create custom export presets for common uses, like social media or client delivery, saving you many clicks. Remember to regularly back up your Lightroom catalog and image files to an external drive, ensuring your precious work is always safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.